Get ready to sink your teeth into the ultimate crispy chicken wings. These wings are perfectly fried to a golden crunch on the outside while staying juicy and tender on the inside. And to take them over the top, I'm bringing you a bonus dipping sauce that is going to blow your mind. Whether you're serving them for game day, for a family treat, or a special gathering, these wings are sure to be the star of the show. Let's get cooking. The foundation of any good wing starts off by washing with some lemon or vinegar. For our powder seasoning, we have paprika, salt, chicken seasoning, chili flakes, black pepper, and we're going to add this to the wings, along with some chopped garlic, some dark soy sauce, and some hot sauce that you can find right here on the Pot Spoon Kitchen. We are also going to add some homemade green seasoning, which I also have this on my channel. Give it a good massage, a good mix up, ensure that all the flavors get all into the wings. We want good flavors from the skin to the bones. Alright, before we get to that crispy fry, we're going to infuse the chicken wings with these amazing flavors. I've got the marinade and everything in here, and we are going to steam our chicken wings for 10 minutes, covering them with a pot cover and allow them to simmer and soak up all these amazing flavor. This is going to make the meat very tender once the outside is nice and crispy. Once they are done, you're going to remove them from the pot, but there is no need to allow them to cool down because you need the temperature to remain high. And we are not going to waste anything because this flavorful broth right here is good for sauces, stews, rice, etc. So we're going to freeze this. Next step, we are making a fried chicken coating. We are adding 2 cups of all-purpose flour, and the entire recipe will be listed down in the description box. We have cornstarch, salt, garlic powder, paprika, black pepper, ginger powder, chicken seasoning, and some baking powder. Let's add it to the flour. Using a whisk, a fork, or a spoon, combine all the flavors into the flour. We are now going to make a fried chicken batter. Add some of the flour into another bowl, which is around 3/4 cup. And we are going to use some ice cold water. And we are going to bring it together until it becomes a nice smooth consistency. You don't want any lumps, and this is going to be the glue for our chicken wings and for the coating to stick to. You can use a thong and simply coat each one, then dip them in the flour individually, but this version does not give you the best crunch. Or you can do it multiple at a time, which is my preferred option. Then we're going to use a thong to transfer it into the flour and use your hands to coat the chicken wings, which gives you a better chicken coating. Simply filter the excess flour through your fingers, and that will leave a lot of flakes on the chicken wings. And here we have all our coated chicken wings ready to fry. We are making our wing dip very shortly. If you have gotten this far into the video, give the video a thumbs up, which helps my YouTube channel to grow by reaching more people, to help me grow and to make better content. We have gotten to the point where we are going to fry up our crispy chicken wings, and because these have been pre-cooked, we don't have to fry them for very long. 4 minutes on each side on high heat in 4 cups of oil will be absolutely perfect. Now we are going to flip each one over. This type of frying is called flash frying, and they are nice and golden brown in minutes. This is what they look like once they are done. Let's add them to a vessel lined with some paper towel. And we have our crispy chicken wings. Let's make our delicious dipping sauce. Let's add some mayonnaise to a bowl along with some fresh lime juice. some Parmesan cheese. We have some parsley flakes, salt, black pepper, Italian seasoning, and chili flakes. We are going to add this to our mixture. This is a garlic Parmesan dipping sauce. Fresh garlic goes in here. Olive oil for smoothness. And this is already done. Mix it to combine. And we have a beautiful sauce that takes our chicken wings up a whole notch. And if you can't consume this kind of sauce, or you prefer not to have this kind of sauce, you can also serve up your wings with some tamarind sauce that is store-bought, some sweet chili sauce, or just your favorite sauce of the day. Although our wings are super crispy and delicious on the outside, when you bite into them, they reveal a beautiful, moist, almost fall off the bone texture. So delicious, so flavorful, flavor from the skin to the bone. We have now come to the end of our recipe. If you enjoyed the video, give the video a thumbs up, a subscribe. Help me to grow my YouTube channel by sharing. Tell a friend to tell a friend to tell another friend, and see you in another one of my recipes.